The female seems uncomfortable with the males. Their presence disturbs her. And there's no sign of them moving on. So, she just moves house again. There are plenty of suitable places to stay along the river. She knows them all, and soon finds a new home. Olobor, meanwhile, re-establishes his territorial rights. For the lioness, the stream is more than just another place to hide the cubs. It's the grass and the water. Perfect conditions for wildebeest. They love the juicy shoots, so some herds walk to the brook every day. Hearing the baying of wildebeest, the lioness benefits from all the years she's spent here. Quickly she slips into position without arousing the attention of the herd. A herd offers safety in numbers, but not equally. Animals at the rear are slowed by those in front. Wildebeest are easier to hunt than buffalo, not only because they're lighter. They would never turn round as a group to protect each other. No one comes to help. Olosiadu, the cautious, had his beady eye on the pride females. In minutes he's on the spot. He knows this female can be sensitive and lets her eat alone. He'll get his lion's share later. All pride males steal the female's kills. But in exchange, they protect the pride young against any threat. Without this protection, a lioness could rarely raise her cubs to independence. That's the deal between the sexes. But today he waits until she's had her fill and is on her way back to the young. Soon, the land belongs to the locals.